everybody, class 5, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well. Your exam, first term exam is near about your hand. I hope that you are preparing yourself at home, and till now I have not completed chapter 4. Today I hope that I have completed this chapter. So today I take 4J and 4I. Okay, 4J and 4K. Okay, now 4J, that is simplify and find the answer using DMAS, that is BOD name. Actually this rules is Badmash. BODMAS. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. So now I start this. Simplify. Question number 1. 1A. This maths you follow Badmash. B bracket, O off, D division, A multiplication, A addition, A subtraction. DMAS, that is BO यहाँ पर नहीं है, इसलिए BMDS. Okay, BMDS means DMAS means D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. First of all, you have to do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. 1A, that is 14 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 10. First of all, you do the division. 8 divided by 2, 14 plus 4. 4 to the 8 minus 10, that's 14 plus 4, 18 minus 10, 8. Answer. B, 13 into 3 minus 42 divided by 6. First of all, division. So 13 into 3 minus 7 6 ja 42, 7. 13 into 3, 39 minus 7, 32. Okay. C, 40 divided by 1 into 15 minus 15. So 14 into 15, 14 divided by 1, 40 into 15 minus 15. 40 into 15, 15 4 just 60, so 0 600 minus 15 585. Okay, this is the answer. D, 6,67,248 minus 2,45,631 plus 11,92,311. That is, first of all you have to do plus. So this is plus, no sign, that means please, and that means plus. This and this plus. So 6, this number and this number plus bracket minus this number. So 6,67,248 plus 11,92,311 equal to 18,59,559 minus 2,45,631. If you subtract it, the answer is 16,13,928. Okay. E, 77,42,859 plus 65,500 into 2,000. So first of all, plus and 1,000 multiplication. So you do multiplication. 77,42,859 plus 65,500 into 2,000. That is this number similar as it is, plus 5 1 2 3 4 5. देखो 4 5 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 ja 2 5 ja 10 10,000. So 2 5 ja 10 0 1 2 6 ja 5 2 ja 10. Excuse me. 65,500 into 2,000. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. তাহলে 655 into 2. 5 2 ja 10. Carrying 1. 5 2 ja 10 1 11. 6 2 ja 12 13. Okay. If you add this, your number is at 13 crore 87 lakh 42,859. Okay. Then 4J, question number F, 71 crore, 71 lakh 88,421 into 20 minus 1 crore 11 lakh 99,999. If you multiply this, your number is 14 crore 37 lakh 68,420 minus 1 crore 11 lakh 99,999. So if you subtract it, 13 crore 25 lakh 68,421. Okay. 4J worksheet. I give you a worksheet, that is homework. That is homework. Z, 1000 minus 6 into 50 plus 18 divided by 6. Okay. H, 800 plus 299 divided by 299 equal to 6,020 into 5 minus 8,000 plus 2,999. 7,999 minus 2,463 divided by 1 plus 3,001. Okay, this is your homework. Now I start 4K. 4K estimate math, that is near about 1000, nearest 100, nearest 10. I will taught you in the previous class. So now in the chapter 2, now chapter 3, now I give you this math. Question number 1, estimate the given numbers and write the answer. Bracket में this number 22 lakh 67,849 plus 36 lakh 12,884. Nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 means you have to look out 100. So if the number 100, 8 greater than 5, so you have to add 2 plus 1, 3. This is the number, 2 plus 3, 3 and 0, 0, 0. And this is 8, near about 8. 8 is greater than 5, so 7 is 7 plus 1 is 68. Okay, so 22 lakh 67,400, so 22 lakh 68,000. And 36 lakh 12,800, that is 8 greater than 5, so 13,000. Okay, if you add this 0, 831 112 628 628 325, this is the answer. B number 12 lakh 29,685 plus 34 lakh 49,070, nearest 10,000. 10,000 means you have to look out 1,000 place stand. 1 10 100,000. 9 is greater than 5, so 4 plus 1 5. Yeah, 1 10 100, 1,000 10,000. 10,000 2, 1,009, so 2 plus 1 3. So they go 12 lakh 30,000. Okay, this is 4. 4 is 1 10 100,000. 9 is greater than 5, so 50. So 34 lakh 50,000. So if you add this, 46 lakh 80,000. Answer. C, 15 lakh 66,224 minus 11 lakh 37,952. Nearest 10,000. Similar, 10,000 means you have to look out the place value of 1,000. So place value, this 6 greater than 5, so 70. So 15 lakh 66,224, so 15 lakh 70,000. And 11 lakh 37,952, so 1,007 greater than 5, so 40 lakh. So 11 lakh 40,000. If you add minus this 0 0 0, 7 minus 4 3, 5 minus 1 4. This is answered. D, 49,669 into 9,433. Greatest place value, that is greatest place value means जो greatest number है 9. 9 is greater than greatest place value 9. 9 is greater than 5. So 4 plus 1 50,000 into 9 is 4 is greater than 9 is greater than 5. So 9 plus 1 10,000. 10,000. 50,000 into 10,000, that is 1 tens 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 5 1 ja 5. So 1 tens 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 50 crore answer. Okay. E number greatest place value, that is 8 lakh 67,542 divided by 9,650. पहले greatest place value 8. So 6 is greater than 5. So 9 lakh 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 9 lakh divided by 9, that is 10,000. 9 lakh 1 tens 100,000 9 lakh divided by 10,000. So 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 0 4 0 कट गया. So 90 answer 90. Okay, this is your class work. Now I give you a homework, a project work 4K, that is worksheet estimate and choose the right answer. This is 2 number 2A. A shopkeeper has 93,450 packets of sketch pens. If each packet has 12 pens, then how many sketch pens are there in the shop? There are 2 options, 9 lakh 95 lakh 40,000. जो आंसर सही वहाँ पर टिक लगाओगे, ए और बी यहाँ पर लिखना होगा. ओके. 8 Shwama has 67 lakh 82,344 millimeter of rope. She has another rope of length 25 lakh 39,886 millimeter. If both the ropes are attached, the estimated length nearest to 1,000 will be. Nearest to 1,000 you have to estimate. So 94 lakh 50,000 and B number 93 lakh 22,000. जो आंसर सही होगा वहाँ पर नंबर लिखना होगा. ओके. C, that is there are 1,341 houses in a street. Each house uses 278 units of electricity energy. Estimated energy used by the houses nearest to 10 will be 10 nearest to 10. 3,75,200 37,500. So if जो आंसर सही है उसमें नंबर लिखोगे इधर बॉक्स में. अदरवाइज एंड प्लस इसके साथ डू पेज नंबर 60 and 61 full in your homework math copy. This is your class work. Okay. Now I hold the page 1 or 2 seconds. Okay. So today I complete chapter 4. Okay, and I tell you some words about your exam. That is next day I will repeat your chapters and I say you some question style. That is question style. All questions are MCQ. That is multiple choice. That is one question. Suppose the question is 13 plus 70 equal to 4 ऑप्शन दे देंगे A B C D. जो आंसर सही है उसमें टिका लगाओगे, अदर्स छोड़ दोगे. ओके. दिस टाइप ऑफ मैथ्स हैव्स टू कम इन योर एग्जाम. यू आर प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ इन दिस टाइम. सो नेक्स्ट डे आई विल रिपीट योर chapters 1 2 3 4. Some maths I do about in your style of exam. Okay, and I hope you will prepare yourself about the exam. I have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have already completed mental math. You have to do every math of mental math. Short question. Your exam is selected short questions. Okay, so thank you very much. Today I have completed. Okay.